You are welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. Just one look at the bird of paradise, Strelitzia, and you instantly feel like your home has stepped into a world of tropical elegance. The bird of paradise, Strelitzia, is more than just a decorative plant. It's a living sculpture that brings a bold, exotic personality to your space, whether grown indoors or outdoors. For beginners across the USA, this iconic plant often feels intimidating, especially when trying to understand sunlight preferences, watering routines, pruning techniques, feeding schedules, and what to do when the leaves start curling, tearing, drooping, or browning. But the truth is simple. Once you understand the natural rhythm of the bird of paradise, Strelitzia, it becomes one of the most rewarding, low-effort, high-impact plants you can ever grow. Think of growing the bird of paradise, Strelitzia, as partnering with a plant that thrives on balance, strong light but not scorching, deep watering but never soggy soil, nutrient-rich feeding but never overloading, and proper pruning without cutting away its natural beauty. This plant wants to thrive, and when you give it the right care, it rewards you with enormous leaves, bold structure, and blooms so stunning that they look like they were sculpted from the tropical sky. To help every new gardener in the USA grow the bird of paradise, Strelitzia, with full confidence, let's walk through the plant's entire care cycle: sunlight, soil, watering, fertilizing, pruning, problem fixing, growth boosting, and seasonal adjustments, written in clear, friendly language so beginners can follow easily and grow like a pro. The bird of paradise, Strelitzia, loves sunlight the way humans love warmth on a perfect morning: soft, bright, enriching, and consistent. In the USA, especially in states like California, Florida, Texas, Arizona, Nevada, and the Carolinas, outdoor sunlight often provides the perfect foundation for explosive growth. Indoors, the plant demands bright indirect sunlight, or at least 4 to 6 hours of direct filtered light. A south-facing window is ideal, while an east-facing window offers gentle morning sun that stimulates growth without harsh heat. When a bird of paradise, Strelitzia, does not receive enough light, the leaves become thin, stems stretch, and new growth slows dramatically. This is why many indoor growers notice the leaves drooping or bending. They are simply searching for light. Once you secure the right lighting environment, soil becomes the next essential ingredient. The bird of paradise, Strelitzia, thrives in well-draining, rich, aerated soil that gives roots the space to breathe. A mix of potting soil, perlite, pine bark, and a small portion of compost creates the perfect foundation. Outdoors, loose, loamy soil with good drainage is ideal. Heavy clay soils suffocate the roots and cause overwatering symptoms. Whether grown in pots or the ground, the goal is always the same: soil that drains quickly but holds enough moisture to keep the plant hydrated. Now let's talk about the heart of your plant's success: the watering routine. Watering mistakes are the #1 cause of stunted growth, yellow leaves, drooping, and root rot in bird of paradise, Strelitzia. This plant prefers deep soaking rather than frequent surface watering. A proper watering schedule means watering thoroughly until the soil is evenly moist and excess water drains out completely. Then allow the top 2 to 3 inches of soil to dry before watering again. Overwatering keeps the soil wet for too long, suffocating the roots and causing fungal infections. Underwatering, on the other hand, causes leaf cracks, curling, and dry brown edges. A consistent watering rhythm differs based on season. In warm months, Most USA growers water every 7 to 9 days indoors and every 5 to 7 days outdoors. In winter, watering drops dramatically to once every 14 to 20 days. Always adjust based on soil dryness, not the calendar. The bird of paradise, Strelitzia, is sensitive to wet roots, so choosing a pot with drainage holes is non-negotiable. To achieve lush, vibrant growth and strong flowering potential, fertilizing plays a major role. This tropical beauty is a hungry plant, especially during spring and summer. Feeding your bird of paradise, Strelitzia, every 2 to 4 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer or a slow-release formula helps promote thick stems, deep green leaves, and bold structure. Nitrogen enhances leaf growth, phosphorus supports blooms, and potassium strengthens root development. Indoor plants particularly benefit from micronutrients like magnesium and iron to prevent pale leaves. Fertilizing in the dormant season, late fall and winter, should be avoided as the plant is resting and doesn't use the extra nutrients. Pruning the bird of paradise, Strelitzia, might feel intimidating, but it's simply about clearing away what the plant no longer needs. Remove damaged, torn, yellow, or brown leaves at the base of the stem using clean, sharp shears. This not only maintains beauty, but also encourages fresh new leaves to emerge. You can also trim old flower stalks to redirect energy into new growth. Now let's explore common problems beginners often face and simple solutions to restore the plant's health. Brown leaf edges usually indicate underwatering or low humidity. Yellowing leaves usually mean overwatering or poor drainage. Drooping leaves often signal low light. Torn leaves are natural because the plant splits to release wind pressure. Nothing to worry about. Curling leaves mean the plant is thirsty or in too much direct heat. White crust on soil indicates mineral buildup. Flush the soil with clean water. Slow growth means the plant needs more light or nutrients. Root rot occurs when the soil stays wet too long. Repot immediately into dry, fast-draining soil and remove black, mushy roots. The bird of paradise, Strelitzia, also benefits from simple growth-boosting techniques such as rotating the plant every 2 weeks to maintain even growth, wiping leaves gently with a damp cloth to allow better photosynthesis, and increasing humidity through pebble trays or a humidifier. Outdoor growers in warmer states can expect faster growth due to stronger sunlight. Beginners should also understand the plant's seasonal rhythm. Spring is the growing season, time for fertilizing, repotting, and introducing more sunlight. Summer brings rapid growth, maintain watering and humidity. Fall is transition season, reduce feeding. Winter is rest season, reduce watering and stop fertilizing. Understanding these natural cycles helps your bird of paradise, Strelitzia, grow effortlessly. For USA gardeners craving a bold tropical style in their homes, patios, or gardens, the bird of paradise, Strelitzia, is an unforgettable choice. Its dramatic leaves, sculptural shape, and exotic flowers create a luxurious aesthetic no other plant can match. It rewards consistency with beauty, strength with presence, and care with unforgettable growth. Even beginners can master it by following simple routines: strong light, proper soil, deep watering, seasonal feeding, and mindful pruning. This plant is more than decor. It's a lifestyle statement, a symbol of tropical color that brings joy, depth, and living art into your space. When grown right, your bird of paradise, Strelitzia, becomes a stunning centerpiece with architectural leaves and glowing natural elegance. Your plant journey begins with confidence, continues with consistency, and blossoms into pride when your bird of paradise, Strelitzia, starts revealing its huge fan-like leaves and bold tropical character. Grow your bird of paradise, Strelitzia, with passion, patience, and simple daily care, and your home will quickly transform into a peaceful, refreshing, and vibrant sanctuary. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.